Okay, everybody, enjoy the sounds of the frogs. It's that time of year here. And as you see, last run you saw was in the wet with Monte Crylo here, and we did it all stock 2S brushed. Now we're going to do 3S brushless. And I got the GPS running just to see. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, let's see how this thing drives. Of course, more traffic. Okay, it's being a little dirty. Oh, look how it's diving like that. I'm not like even barely getting into it because it's pretty sketchy. It's fast. Ooh. Monte Carlo down! Yeah. I'm sure it handled it. Hopefully the GPS didn't complain either. Oh, did it? It did break. Well, there you go. Monte Crylo done. I knew that was coming. One speed run later.
Gosh darn it.
Yep. Oh yeah. Multiple fractures. Shit happens. Look at that trim, that's way off. That's better. Can you limp back to the car, bro? Broken face.
I got the nose.
It's drifting to the right, but that... okay, I got something to look at.
How fast do you think you gotta go?
40, 50.
You know, he really needs a rusty sticker.
At least we got everything. We can glue them back up. Alright, how fast did we go? Before I couldn't drive it no more. 49. Told you. Alright, well, stay tuned, guys. I'll get this doctored up and we'll be back after it. Later.